guys, welcome back to Aaron's Gaming Toy Dance. Alright, it's just me today, but we're unboxing this. A Squirtle from Super Smash Bros. Ultimate of the Pokemon trainer. And then we got Snake. And then we got Ivysaur from the Pokemon trainer again. And then we got Link from the Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening. And then we got the whole game that comes with an art book. So we may not be playing Smash Bros, but we might be playing this game. So let's open them. Okay, let's move this to the side and then open Squirtle up. Oh, there we go. You can just open it like that. Okay, we got Squirtle, Pokemon trainer. Okay, bye-bye, Squirtle. Right, now let's do Ivysaur. What? Oh wow! All right, we got Ivysaur. I keep thinking it's Bulbasaur. We got Ivysaur. Boom! All right, King K. Roller. Boom! The new one. That was easy. Why he has long ears? Okay. Well, he has yellow hair and shield and a sword. Okay, now let's bring all the Amiibos back. Wait, but we're missing one. Where's Snake? You hear that? Hey, what's this box doing here? It's Snake! He was hiding in the box all the time. Okay, now let's open it. Dude, he was in that box and we didn't just notice. Oh wow, that was easy. Alright, let's go. Here's Snake hiding in that box where I didn't know how he got there. Let's bring all the Amiibos back. Snake, Bulbasaur, Link. Oh wait, no, I keep thinking it's a Bulbasaur. Okay, Ivysaur, Squirtle, and Link. Hey, how did King K. Rool get here? Get out here. First, let's show you the Amiibos. Alright, now let's open the game. Alright, let's open this now. Oh my. Here's a giant art book. Let's look at the art book here. Legend of Zelda. Look, we got the whole background and the egg. Whoa, now that's cool. There's owls and a brown owl. Oh, look, we got Link. Right there. Alright, I'm not going to show you the whole book, but I might show you a few pages. Right. Oh, and we got the fighter. Link. I think these are like how to draw. Oh, we got a couple. Oh, and the bell. We got some of this part of the game. This is just art from the game. Oh, here's the map. Oh, alright, that's it. Why would it not come out? Hello? Right, here we go. We got the game and the background. Bothering us, that's the second time. Whoa. We got the game and the map. And the map. Alright, let's see what the game. Here's everything we got today. Hey, what's that green finger doing there? Kinky, roll again? Why is he always here? Alright, I think we'll just put him right there upside down. Alright, bye. But first, I'm not anymore. It wasn't me the whole time. I was Sonic. Alright guys, bye. Keep out for my videos with the Smash and the Word of Light and with the Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening. Bye.